All right, so I'm here to talk about our class deals and our crash courses here. So, let's face it, nobody wants to pay money to learn how to trade. Nobody wants to, spend a lot of money in trying to see, if they can be a good trader, right? So after so much, so many requests from people who think or who find it too expensive to take our full courses, we've introduced crash courses that give you enough to be able to kind of get a feel for the markets and then try to make some money from there. So um the good thing is we try to give you as much as possible, a lot of a lot of support and a lot of help, especially that you're gonna get a month's free trader subscription, so you'll get our ideas to help and supplement the knowledge that you have from the crash courses. So we do provide classes on stocks, of course, and options, as well as forex, and of course futures. Selected futures, I mean SPX or S&P, futures, gold, and oil. So they're extremely affordable. The one thing that I find that most people have done, and I mean, as soon as we introduced this 1 or 2 weeks ago, we had 40 people jump in all right away the same day, because I guess taking all the full classes, like as we mentioned here on the class page, I guess sometimes it's unreachable to some, right? So this one here is sort of a good entry to the world of trading to really get a feel for what it takes and what it requires of you, and that way you can make a really good decision whether you really do have what it takes to be a trader. So it's a good compromise. You're not spending a lot. You get you learn how we trade, and you learn what it takes to be a trader, and you get to get a feel for what's going on, and then you can decide later on if you want to get to go into a more in-depth course to learn the full fundamentals, the full gamut of trading, our trading style, and the trading as a whole, right? So it's been very popular to a lot of people. We typically get, since we introduced this, we typically about 8 or 9 orders now per day, which is great. And from those, I think we've found about 10 or 20% of them actually go on to do the full meal deal as well. So if you've ever been wondering what these crash courses is all about, again, first things first, it gives you enough to be able to trade. That's for sure. It gives you a month's trader subscription for free. At the same time, it gives you a glimpse of how it feels or what it takes to be a trader. And that way, at least if you think about it, you spend 300 to see whether or not this is something that you really are into, if you're passionate about. And then once from there, if you are, then you could go into more more in-depth courses. If not, at least you didn't spend that much and you spent a lot of money and a lot of time. All of these crash courses don't take more than an hour, so most of them range between 20 minutes to an hour, depending on the topic, depending on the strategy involved with these courses. Okay, so it's something to consider. It's a really really cheap way. And again, guys, you're being taught by traders. Okay, you're not being taught by some guy, some analyst out there who doesn't know how to trade. You're being taught by guys who actually know how to trade and who are also mentors to people who are serious about taking the whole trading game um, to a whole new level, and as well as to make it into a full-time gig as well. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, definitely hit the contact button here. Just go to our website, www.equitysense.com. Ask us any questions. We're here to help. And thank you for your time. I hope you guys will find that trading is something that everybody wants to get into, but never either have the time nor the resources to get in. But it is, you'll never leave these classes feeling like you didn't learn anything. At the end of the day, you'll learn how to look at the markets in a more practical manner than it is right now, um, as being sort of promoted by the mainstream media and everyone else. All right. So thank you for your time, and hope you have a wonderful day. Mike out.